Good morning, everybody. Sorry I didn't record a whole lot yesterday. Yesterday was just really tough for me. Had a bunch of crazy uphills and the smoke from the wildfires around. There's a wildfire in West Virginia, there's a wildfire in Shenandoah, and there's another one somewhere else. And the smoke yesterday was just terrible. Going up them hills, all I was doing was coughing and shit. And it just completely wore me out. And then once I got around Harrisonburg, I tried to figure out somewhere to camp or stay. But I just didn't have the money to get a hotel. And then I talked to my buddy, Rick Shaw. He told me about Horn Campsite, or Quarry Campsite. That's where I'm at now. And so I got off the route and came here, and I want to take the route back down, another road back down to Stokesville. But we got a huge problem. And it's going to be a sketchy well, not really sketchy, just I got to really pay attention to my battery power. The last 4 miles up to here from the 238 store or something like that, this guy gave me a ride. We put my bike on the back of his truck and come home. Had already gone 31 miles, and he asked me if I wanted to ride up the hill, and I was like, yeah. But I didn't realize it, but this bag right here was open. And that's where I keep my charger, my cable. Normally keep my wallet, but thankfully my wallet wasn't in there because I just got something at the store. And a couple other things. All of that fell out of that into his truck bed. And I didn't realize it. I got my bottle out of the truck bed, but I didn't even think to look. But I didn't realize it until he was already way down there. And there was just no way I tried to holler and stuff. He didn't hear me. And he works on this side. You go over the top of the mountain, that's West Virginia. He lives over there. But he comes over the mountain to work every day. So I was hoping that he happened to see it and he'd drop it back off this morning. But it's now 8 o'clock and no show. So I have no way to charge. I have my 10,000 battery bank, but it's dead. And my phone it's charged right now. Thanks. Rick Shaw came up here last night and hung out with me for a while, and I got to charge my phone. At least my phone in his car. So we're going to head down to Stokesville, charge up my phone the rest of the way, charge up that battery bank as long as I can. And then there's another store about 8 miles, and I'm going to do the same thing there. And then hopefully we can make it to Covington the next day because there's a Walmart there, and I can get another battery bank. But yeah, sorry I'm rambling this morning. I had a lot to tell. But yeah, we got about 7 or 8 miles back down to the route. What's up, everybody? Just leaving the Stokesville store. Just stopped there and charged up everything. Got something to drink. Now we're heading back up in the mountains. Got a lot of climbing to do today. What's up, everybody? Sorry I couldn't video a lot today because, like I explained, my battery situation. But we're camped here at Bradley Pond, this first camping area. Did like 24 and a half, something like that. Could definitely went further, but we got one hell of a climb in about 2 or 3 miles. And it's another one like I had today, and y'all see it at the end of the video. But it just goes whoop, 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 for like 5.5, 6 miles. I'm not doing that this evening. So, yeah. But we're only a mile from Mountain View store, so we'll pack up early. Try to get out here early in the morning, because that store opens at 7. So go down there, sit there, charge up and stuff, and get some breakfast. But yeah, I think tomorrow we're going to hop off the valley route and hop on the mountain route, just because it gives me more opportunities for camping between here and Covington, which is about 60 miles from here, give or take. Or maybe less than that. But yeah, anyways, I hope you all had a great day. Have an even better night. And I'll talk to y'all in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It's a chilly one too. It's about 8 o'clock, all packed up. And we're getting ready to go. We got about 1.5 miles or so to Mountain View store, which I think is Augusta or West Augusta. It's the name of the town. And then, yeah, we're going to try to make it as far as we can today. Don't know how far that's going to be. We got a whole lot of uphill after we leave that store, so it's gonna be slow going this morning, but man, it just keeps going and going and going and going uphill on this crazy ass road for like 6 miles.